Sarah, I have a question for you today. It is something many students ask me.
Oh, I like questions. What is it, Alex?
Well, many students tell me, Alex, I can read English very well. I understand when I listen, but when I try to speak, my tongue gets tied up. The words get stuck in my mouth, and my pronunciation sounds terrible.
Oh, that is such a common problem. I hear that all the time. It is very frustrating for them. They have the knowledge in their head, but they cannot get it out of their mouth.
Exactly. It feels like there's a disconnection between their brain and their mouth. So, Sarah, what do you tell students when they have this problem?
I tell them that they need to train their mouth muscles, not just their brains. They need to start shadowing.
Ah, shadowing. That sounds very mysterious, like a spy movie technique.
It does sound mysterious, but it is actually very simple. And it is my absolute favorite technique for improving speaking quickly.
Okay, so for everyone listening who doesn't know this word, what exactly is shadowing?
Think about your shadow on a sunny day. When you walk, your shadow walks. When you stop, your shadow stops. It does exactly what you do, almost at the exact same time.
Okay, I understand the image, but how do we do that with language?
Shadowing means you listen to native English audio and you repeat what you hear immediately. You don't wait for the speaker to finish the sentence. You try to speak almost at the same time as them. You become their echo.
Wait, that sounds difficult. Usually teachers say, listen, pause the audio, and then repeat.
Yes, that is the old way. That is called repeating. But shadowing is different. When you pause, your brain has too much time to think. You start worrying about grammar rules.
Ah, I see. So when you shadow simultaneously, at the same time, you don't have time to think about grammar rules.
Exactly. You are forcing your mouth to just copy the sounds, the rhythm, and the emotion of the native speaker. You are training muscle memory.
Muscle memory is so important. It's like learning to play the guitar or learning to play tennis. You have to do the movement thousands of times before it feels natural.
Yes, your tongue, your lips, your throat, they are all full of muscles. Right now, those muscles are trained for your native language. Shadowing retrains them for English sounds.
Okay, Sarah, you have convinced me. It sounds like a great technique, but if I'm a beginner, how do I actually start? It feels scary to just start talking over native audio.
It can feel weird at first, so we need a step-by-step plan. We cannot just jump into difficult audio.
Okay, what is step 1?
Step 1 is choosing the right material. This is so important. Alex, if you are a beginner, should you try to shadow a fast news report from CNN or BBC?
Definitely not. They speak way too fast, and the vocabulary is too hard. You will just get frustrated and quit.
Exactly. You need to find audio that is slow, clear, and easy. Maybe a podcast designed for learners or a simple children's story.
And I think another important thing for step 1 is that you need the text. You need the transcript so you can read while you listen.
Yes, having the transcript is incredibly helpful when you start. Okay, so you have your easy audio and your text. What is step 2?
Step 2 is do not speak yet.
That's right. Patience is key.
First, you just need to listen to the short audio clip, maybe just 1 minute. Listen and read the text. Make sure you understand all the words. You cannot shadow if you don't know what you are saying.
Okay, so we understand the clip. Now we are ready for step 3, the actual shadowing.
This is the action step. You play that short audio clip again. Put your headphones on, and as soon as you hear a word, say it out loud.
You have to try to match their speed. If they go up, your voice goes up. If they go down, your voice goes down. If they pause, you pause. Copy everything.
And this is going to feel very strange the first time you do it.
Oh, it feels terrible the first time. You will miss words, you will stutter, you will feel silly talking to yourself in your room.
But that is okay, right?
It is totally okay. That is part of the process. Don't worry about being perfect. Just worry about keeping going. Your mouth is learning something new.
Okay, so you do that a few times with the same short clip until it feels a little easier. Is there a step 4?
Yes, there is an advanced step 4 if you are brave.
Uh-oh, what is it?
Step 4 is recording yourself while you shadow.
Nobody likes listening to their own voice recorded. It makes everyone cringe.
I know, it is painful. But Alex, it is the best way to learn. You record yourself shadowing the native speaker, then you listen to the recording. You compare your voice to the native speaker's voice.
Ah, I see. You can hear the differences. You might hear, oh, the native speaker went up at the end of the sentence, but my voice went down.
Exactly. You become your own teacher. You hear your mistakes clearly, and then you try again to fix them.
This sounds like a very powerful technique, but it also sounds exhausting.
It is exhausting. Your mouth gets tired and your brain gets tired. So my advice is keep it short.
How short?
Don't try to do this for an hour. You will burn out. Do just 10 or 15 minutes a day. Consistency is better than intensity.
10 minutes a day, every day. That seems manageable.
And stick with the same short audio clip for a few days. Don't change the audio every day. Master one small piece before moving to the next.
Sarah, I think this is great advice. If students do this, they won't just understand English, they will actually start feeling the rhythm of speaking it.
Yes, it changes English from something you study in a book to something you do with your body. It is a game changer.
So let's give them a little homework task to try this out.
Okay, find a very short audio clip, maybe just 30 seconds, that has a transcript. It could even be a short part of one of our videos.
Good idea. Listen to it once to understand, then play it again and try to speak along with us. Be our shadow.
Don't worry if you sound silly. Just try to match our rhythm. Give your mouth muscles a workout today.